So XRP bulls are now in control. The price is moving towards the upside. We're going to take a look at what's going on with XRP. Two key reasons why XRP is moving up today. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X as well if you're watching over there. Let's get into it here. So why is XRP pumping hard today? Two key reasons. First one being the main event. The main event has been the SEC's recognition of New York Stock Exchange's 19B-4 filing for Grayscale's XRP ETF. Try saying that 10 times fast. The regulator has published its notice of acknowledgement on Thursday, and this opens up the path to potential approval. Now, although the recognition of the XRP ETF filing does not mean it's approved, it does mean that it's acknowledged, and the regulator has signaled it will entertain the proposal because previously the SEC has rejected altcoin ETF applications. So this is quite a good move forward. Basically means that it's going to be considered. Ripple also disclosed a new collaboration with the largest currency exchanger in Portugal. That's also in the news as well. And last week, Japan's SBI Remit expanded its international remittance service in partnership with SBI Shinsei Bank. I probably pronounced that wrong. Sorry. Japan's SBI Remit uses XRP for cross-border payments in certain corridors. So let's take a look at some XRP price analysis and price predictions. So, like I said, bulls are taking control. We are up actually right now. Let's go over take a look, quick look at CoinMarketCap here. XRP is up to 281 right now. It was actually about 279 when I started getting everything together for this video. So it is still moving upwards, up about 13.65% in the past 24 hours. Let's go back over here. We're going to take a look at a price prediction. The hourly chart reveals a vigorous upward thrust. I love the way some of these guys word these articles, but anyways, we're moving up. $2.80 to $2.90. We're probably going to see some resistance there. However, a dip under 250 could signal a potential dive down as well, prompting traders to kind of just kind of be in the cautious note, right? But we're going to take a look at the obviously the 4 hour. That was the 1 hour right here, and that's basically what the 1 hour is showing. It's showing upward momentum. The 4 hour time frame, XRP exhibits resilience. This is this chart here after recent liquidations. So we're seeing a ton of stability between 220 and 240, and the $2.90 area is resistance. That's where we had trouble before. But if we can overcome that, holding above 270 could potentially push us to that $3 mark, which we would love to see. I kind of think XRP is going to go on a pretty decent run here, unless we get some more macroeconomic factors that kind of come into play, something maybe new or worsening in that regard. I think that XRP is going to have a pretty good run here because you take a look at some of the stability that XRP has shown in the market as of recently, where the rest of the market has been dumping. XRP stayed fairly good. It actually recovered very well. It stayed fairly stable. It didn't really dip as much as I anticipated it to dip because we did see quite a large run up previously, and usually after big moves like that, you'll see a drastic retracement, which we didn't really see in that case. So I'm thinking that this thing is going to most likely continue its upward momentum, but that's just my opinion. So the daily perspective maintains an upward trajectory despite recent pullbacks, and there is a support base at about $1.78 as a really strong support. The $3.40 threshold emerges as a critical battleground, so resistance $3.40. Historically, it's met with distribution. $2.60 may catalyze renewed advances. So basically, like I said, that if we can hold above 260, we can most likely see strategic buyers monitoring potential breaches above $3. I think that that's most likely what we're going to see. Some of the oscillators and the momentum technical indicators are a little bit balanced and maybe a little bit more neutral, but the RSI is showing 54, which is good. It's moving up in the right direction. Scholastic is at 61, CCI is at 4, reflect balance sentiment. ADX reading is at 34, implies modest trend conviction. So, people are still a little bit cautious. MACD is lingering at negative 0.07, average showing measured optimism. So still some cautiousness, right? Just because the market can be a little bit fragile at times, especially with macro events like tariffs and war and things like that is going on as well. So moving averages are showing a nuanced yet optimistic outlook. XRP's recent breakout support by strong volume and favorable moving averages do suggest continued bullish momentum. Like I said, $3, potentially $3.40 is likely on the table here. Now, if we get a bearish scenario, like I said, something else comes into play, macro factors, so to speak. Resistance is near about $2.90. We could have a hard time overcoming that, and a dive down to 250 could be expected, and a deeper retracement towards 220 or lower could occur if it was something fairly bearish. So that's pretty much what's going on right now. We can see here, XRP is definitely moving in the right direction, up with the overall market as well. The market itself is only up about 2.7%. So XRP is definitely an outlier in that regard, where it's in the double digits right now. But we can see that move up is pretty drastic. The volume coming up about 148% in the last 24 hours. Things are looking technically fairly good. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to give you a quick update what's going on for XRP, why it's moving, why it's pumping, and it's definitely a good green day in XRP for XRP holders. Thanks so much for tuning in. Really do appreciate you guys. And if you're interested in trading XRP on crypto.com, I have a link in the description down below. It can get you up to $50 for your trading. And that's basically what I got for you. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Peace.